Ready on Bryant. This is case number 234498101. The people of the state of Michigan versus Deshae Unique Bryant. Defendant is charged with operating with a high BAC and operating while intoxicated with an occupant under the age of 16. Today is the date set for pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
The record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Janice Stevenson appearing on behalf of Daisha Bryant. Ms. Bryant, ma'am, please say your full name.
Daisha Unique Bryant.
Thank you. Today is the day set for a pretrial conference. Before we begin, Ms. Bryant, do you know me?
No.
Have you ever seen me in attendance to any of your family functions?
No.
Mr. Cantero, did you speak with the lawyer? So why did you come out of the breakout room? I asked you to stay in the breakout room and that a lawyer was going to come in to speak with you. Please return to the breakout room until a lawyer comes in to speak with you.
He may need a Spanish interpreter, Your Honor. He needed one at a ring.
Well, okay, but he understood enough to go to that breakout room. All right.
Mr. Cantarero.
Can you get a Spanish interpreter for Mr. Cantanero? Did you see him shake his head in response to my whole statement? Oh, no. Okay. With respect to Ms. Bryant, how are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Bryant will continue her plea of not guilty. We're asking this matter be set final pretrial conference.
The court is going to continue a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Bryant and set the matter for final pretrial conference. How many do I have? April 23rd, Mr. Flanagan.
Five.
Final pretrial conference, April 23rd. At 9:00 a.m., discovery should be submitted to the defense by March the 22nd. Bond will continue with the added condition of no drinking, with no drinking, no driving without a valid license, and the added condition of submitting to urinalysis twice a month. Make sure you respond to probation when they contact you to schedule you for urinalysis. Please make sure that you show up for your urine test on the day scheduled to go. Do not go the day after, the next day after. The results won't be accepted. Anything further?
Your Honor, actually, may the people address the bond condition?
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, looking at the investigator's report, it was alleged that Ms. Bryant was behind the wheel of a vehicle with a child in the car. There was actually a caller who actually dispatched 911 to Ms. Bryant being unconscious behind the wheel, slumped over, and it took several attempts for the police to try to help her gain conscience for her to open the door near the freeway. So with that, Your Honor, I'm asking the court to actually increase the random urinalysis testing from twice a month to at least 4 times a month.
Well, what was her alleged blood alcohol?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, it was 0.18.
Ms. Stevenson, any response?
So, Your Honor, you know, the test 36 report is accurate. If they detect
Ms. Stevenson, hold on. You're breaking up a lot. You were breaking up a lot.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, you know, the testing equipment here at the 36th District Court Lab is quite reliable, I have found. And I believe that if Ms. Bryant is consuming alcohol, it's going to be detected within that testing period that the court initially ordered. We do understand the severity of the charges. They are still allegations at this point. And in order to keep Ms. Bryant safe and anybody else that she would be driving around with lawfully safe, I think that twice a month, the customary urinalysis ordered as a bond condition is sufficient. We have an incident date, Your Honor, of June 6, 2022.
Okay, I think I agree with defense because I only order testing. I was just processing, right? So I only order testing for high BAC. Or, I shouldn't say that, or OWI second offense. So what triggers the testing is the high BAC or second offense notice. And then in order to be high BAC, I think high BAC is not triggered until the person's blood alcohol is 0.17. So she was only just one little snitch above what triggers the high BAC. So not saying that her blood alcohol wasn't high, because it was. That's why she's charged with high BAC. But in order to be high BAC, the blood alcohol has to be at least 0.17, which triggers the testing. And then she was allegedly only 1.18. So I'm just going to order the twice a month. Also, the age of the case, it's a little older, and as far as I know, she doesn't have any other conditions. But understand if she does test positive, violating her bond condition, then I'm definitely either going to increase it to four times a month, or I may put her on an alcohol tether, and I may order some type of treatment while she's on bond. So let's make sure we're not drinking at all. You can't consume any type of alcoholic beverage, or any type of alcohol. No Jello shots, no champagne shots. No, you can't eat the alcohol. You can't drink the alcohol. All right, so I'm going to leave it at twice a month. And no missed tests. No missed tests. You have to make sure you go. All right, but twice a month. So probation will contact you to set that up. Anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing on behalf of Ms. Bryant. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Bryant, you're all set. Have a great day. Stay safe.
You as well.
Thank you.